Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the unboxing of the new Samsung J6 Infinity phone. So guys, this is the box and the seal is actually broken over here, but they didn't actually open the box. My friend saved it for me to unbox it. Usually I get many questions about how I get all these devices and the answer is pretty simple. Buy, beg, borrow. That's all. Now with that said, let's just get on with the unboxing. This phone is launched both online and offline in two variants. Base variant is priced at 14,000 rupees for 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, and the next variant is priced at 16,500 rupees for 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. It is available in three colors, blue, black and gold, and I have the black color right now. So guys, now that the box is open, we have the phone on the front. Let me just put that aside for now. Next we have some documentation. A quick start guide, something in Hindi, SAR value information, original log guide, warranty card, and that's all. Now for people who are interested about SAR values, this is the SAR value of the Samsung J6. Next we have the earphones with an inline mic, pretty old style, not worth using. Next we have the micro USB charging cable. Same old, a SIM card ejector, and finally a 5 watts power adapter. Now that is all we get inside the box. So let's just put everything aside and check out the phone. Now this is the phone. It comes in a plastic wrapping and you just have to slide it out. So on the back we have the IMEI number sticker as usual. We have even a cover or a lens cover. That's good, I guess. Next we have some more stickers on the sides. So guys, this is how the phone looks right out of the box. Now on the back it is a plastic build with a metallic matte finish. It doesn't have any anti-fingerprint coating, so it is attracting smudges pretty quickly. Now starting at the top, it is a 13 megapixel primary camera with f1.9 aperture, followed by a single LED flash, fingerprint scanner and Samsung branding. Below that we also have some specifications which you can ignore. Now on the front, it has a 5.6-inch Super AMOLED display with HD+ resolution in the new 18:9 aspect ratio. Above that, we have an 8 megapixel front-facing camera with f1.9 aperture, earpiece, sensors and a dedicated soft light. At the bottom it is completely plain. We have on-screen buttons instead. On the left side it has the volume buttons made of plastic with two SIM card trays. We can use two nano SIM slots and a dedicated SD card slot all at once. On the right side it has the power button along with a speaker. At the top it is completely plain, and at the bottom we have the micro USB charging port and a 3.5mm audio jack. Under the hood it sports an Exynos 7870 processor with Mali T830MP1 GPU and a 3000 mAh battery. Now completely wrapping this is a metal shell with a thickness of 8.2mm and the entire phone just weighs 154 grams. Now let me quickly configure the phone and see what we get right out of the box. So guys, out of that 3GB of RAM, we get about 1.7GB of free RAM, and out of that 32GB of storage, we get about 24GB for our user apps and user data. Now this is the about page, and this one is running a heavily skinned version of Android called Samsung Experience UI version 9.0 based on Android 8.0 Oreo, and it even has the April security patch. Now this is how the default home screen looks like. So we can swipe from the bottom for Samsung Pay. We have to configure it, but it's just a half-baked feature. On the left side we have the Bixby, which I would recommend you to disable it completely. Now these are the apps that comes pre-installed. Not a lot of bloatware, but we do have some useless applications. Now this is the camera application. When you open it for the first time you get some quick instructions. This is the shutter button and you can swipe to the left side or the right side to zoom in and zoom out. We can even do a swipe up to get a shortcut on the screen. So you can simply press this button to take a picture. Next we have different modes which we can access simply by swiping left or right. It also has stickers, so let me just give you a quick preview. So this is how it looks. Almost all phones have this feature. Recently even the Honor 9 Lite got it and they call it the AR lens. Now coming to video recording, we can record video at Full HD resolution. Now let me quickly configure Face Unlock and Fingerprint Scanner and see how they actually work. Now I'll be adding my facial data. it took its time to read my face, pretty slow. Next I'll register my fingerprint. So we have it over here. So let's tap. So it's taking quite a lot of time to even add the fingerprint. Now let me add another one. Now it's done. Now let's check out Fingerprint Scanner first. For the first time we need to enter the password or pattern. Now the Fingerprint Scanner. So guys, that was the Fingerprint Scanner. It was not super fast, not as fast as the Redmi Note 5 Pro, Honor 9 Lite, other phones in this price segment. It takes like half a second, but it's still pretty good. Now let's try Face Unlock. So I've locked the phone. It was fast. So guys, now let's see how it performs in low lighting conditions. Nothing's happening so far. Let me try that again. Nope. So guys, I've tested it again and again and it simply doesn't work. So you can show off this feature, but it isn't all that reliable. Now these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. So far in my initial impressions, phone looks decent. Definitely not the best phone in this price segment. We have many better alternatives which cost way less than this phone, but this phone is not bad itself. So far in my initial impressions, everything was working smoothly. There were no major hiccups. Now the only good thing about this phone would probably be its Super AMOLED display. Rest of the things are pretty average and there are many phones out there that offer way more than this phone does. So guys, what do you think about this phone? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and we will be making many videos on this phone. So stay tuned to us by subscribing to our channel, and if you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.